Have you ever wanted to own a submachine gun but couldn't justify the expense? Well, fear not my friends, because there's a more affordable option out there for you. The AM15 kit allows you to build your very own submachine gun that's based on the M16. With a promised firing rate of around 850 rounds per minute and a magazine that can hold 275 rounds of 5.6 by 15.6mm ammunition, you'll be able to unleash some serious firepower. And the best part? You'll get all of the fun and functionality of the American 180 submachine gun for just a fraction of the cost. So, if you're feeling handy and want to take on a DIY project that will give you a real bang for your buck, the AM15 kit might just be the perfect choice for you. A group of engineers at Crye Precision were tasked with enhancing the weapons used by police, special forces, and other law enforcement officers for building assaults and similar missions. What did they come up with? The Crye Precision 612. Initially designed as a compact underbarrel shotgun for special ammunition, the 612's success quickly led to its transformation into a standalone weapon. With interchangeable barrels and a pocket for any rail on the stock, this baby's got customization options galore. Plus, its 12mm caliber and removable cylinder with a capacity for 6 cartridges make it a force to be reckoned with. And if you're worried about lugging around a clunky weapon, fear not, the standalone version is only a mere 88 centimeters long. It's the perfect accessory for anyone looking to upgrade their tactical game. Just don't forget to leave it at home when you're going to the grocery store. Have you heard of FoldAR? They've managed to impress even the most avid gun enthusiasts with their latest creation, a foldable rifle. At the 2019 SHOT Show, they unveiled an AR-style rifle that's only 27 centimeters long when folded. What's the secret to this amazing feat? Not only can the stock be folded, but the barrel can also be folded and replaced faster than its competitors. One version of the rifle even shoots 5.56 by 45 NATO ammo and weighs a mere 2.8 kilograms. And if you're looking for customization options, the modular fore-end is a nice touch. But hold on tight, because getting your hands on one of these rifles won't be easy. FoldAR has no plans to expand their production capacity and will only release their products on a limited basis. But if you're lucky enough to snag one, it'll set you back about $2,500. That might seem steep, but hey, you can't put a price on the coolness factor of owning a foldable rifle. If you're looking to level up your airsoft game, check out the Red MCK exclusive to the GlockStore. It's like a transformer for your Glock, converting it into a carbine for some serious firepower. And the best part? You don't have to be a gunsmith to assemble it. Just pick from 4 different options for your Glock model and choose from 5 funky colors to customize your look. And if you're worried about being in the dark, don't be, the MCK comes with a flashlight. Plus, with its sleek red and black design, you'll feel like a character straight out of Deadpool. So, upgrade your airsoft arsenal with the Red MCK, it's a Nerf gun on steroids. Who says guns can't be both fun and practical? Henry Repeating Arms certainly doesn't think so. The Henry Lever Action Axe .410 shotgun is the perfect example of a firearm that defies traditional categories. It's compact and lightweight, measuring just 66 centimeters long and weighing in at 2.6 kilograms, making it easy to grab from a holster or store in tight spaces. But don't let its size fool you. With a 5-round 410 caliber tube magazine, this shotgun packs a punch and is a great option for shooting sports. Even if you already have a fully stocked gun safe, the Lever Action Axe is sure to put a smile on your face that won't go away until the magazine is empty. At around $1,100, it's a small price to pay for the joy and practicality this shotgun brings to the table. If you're a fan of the Halo universe, then you'll definitely be excited to know that the MA5 series assault rifle is real. Okay, so maybe we're still a long way off from actually wielding energy swords and photon weapons, but the MA5 is pretty close to the real deal. It's a bullpup gun that looks a lot like an FNF 2000 and uses 7.62 by 51mm NATO cartridges. And let's not forget the cool blue ammunition counter. Although we do have a few questions for the designer on that one. Regardless, the Halo community is pretty talented and they're definitely excited about the MA5. In fact, there's even a joke petition going around to make it the main assault rifle of the US Army. Who knows, maybe we'll be seeing Master Chief on the front line soon. It seems like we have some military history buffs in the house. Let's talk about the Mosin Obrez Pistol, a DIY version of the iconic Mosin Nagant rifle. This bad boy was first adopted in 1891 and has since been used to make everything from shotguns to hunting rifles. And let's not forget its starring role in movies and video games, like Battlefield 1. But for those of you who want to get your hands dirty, there's a DIY version of the Mosin Nagant rifle in the form of an air rifle assembled in Hong Kong using original details. Some might call it beautiful, others might call it weird, but we'll let you be the judge. So get ready to channel your inner gunsmith and give this DIY project a shot. Now here's a product that screams overkill in the best way possible. The Ruger 1022 Gatling Gun Kit is like something out of a Hollywood action flick. You know, the kind where the hero takes out an entire army with a single weapon. And with this bad boy, you just might be able to do that. So here's what you need to do: get your hands on 2 Ruger 10/22 rifles, a Gatling gun kit, and plenty of 22 LR ammo. Then, assemble the contraption and let the fun begin. With 4 rounds fired per crank revolution, you'll be unstoppable as long as you have the arm strength to keep cranking. Sure, the kit alone will set you back around $1,200, but hey, you can't put a price on being the coolest kid on the block. And think of all the money you'll save on expensive ammo. So, if you're looking to make a big impression and a big noise, the Ruger 10/22 Gatling gun kit is the way to go.
Oh yeah.
Glocks are the superstars of the firearm world, with over 20 million Glock 17s in circulation. They're practically everywhere, from law enforcement agencies to your favorite action movies. And it's not just cops and robbers who love Glocks, businessmen love them too. There's a whole market for Glock upgrades, and this set is a steal at only $22. It's made of nylon and plastic and weighs just over 200 grams, but it packs a punch. With an extra magazine and improved accuracy, you'll be the envy of your airsoft squad. The Slong G-Kriss Glock may 17th be a mouthful to say, but it's worth every syllable. If you're a fan of steampunk, get ready to have your gears turning. Dreamdesigner has created a steampunk pistol that will make you feel like you've traveled back in time to an era of steam-powered technology and top hats. But if you're looking for something a little more practical and real, how about an airsoft version of the legendary Mauser pistol? This bad boy packs a punch with carbon dioxide firing, single and automatic fire modes, and 6mm pellets for ammunition. And for just $141, you can have your very own piece of history, and some fun at the shooting range, of course. So whether you're looking to add some Victorian elegance or some high-powered action to your collection, Dreamdesigner and Mauser have got you covered. Here's a shotgun straight out of South Africa that's perfect for urban combat in heavily built-up areas. Meet the Striker/Protecta, a shotgun that's got some serious firepower. Unlike similar products, this bad boy can hold up to 12 rounds of 12-gauge ammunition thanks to its cylinder-type magazine. Just like a revolver, you'll need to reload it 1 round at a time, but that's a small price to pay for all that boom. The standout feature of the Striker/Protecta is the movable grip for your second hand. You can rotate the cylinder by turning it, and all used cartridges are automatically removed with the help of powder gases except for the last one, which needs a little manual extraction with the help of an extractor rod. But don't worry, this gun is reliable and shoots buckshot with ease. Plus, it's pretty compact to boot. When the buttstock is folded, the striker and protector versions come in at 508 and 500 mm long respectively. So if you're looking for a compact yet powerful shotgun for your next urban assault mission, the striker/Protecta might just be your new best friend. Just don't go scaring the neighbors with it. Looking for a rifle that is a mix of galil and pump action? Well, the South Africans got you covered with their Vektor H5 rifle. It may not be automatic, but it sure packs a punch. Originally based on the Israeli galil rifle, the H5 has been modified to include pump action, making it much more affordable and accessible to the general population. It fires the 5.56 by 45 mm NATO cartridge and is compatible with various magazines and optical sights. Plus, it's easy to repair. So, if you're on a budget and looking for a rifle with some history behind it, look no further than the Vektor H5, available online for only $662.